afternoon from Arunachal Pradesh. It's been almost half an hour since I've crossed Sela Pass. I've taken a small break for photography and to soak in these amazing views. Guys, always remember to give way for the upcoming vehicles while riding on the hills. This is an unwritten rule on the hills. Please follow that. Yoo-hoo! Snow on the left, snow on the right, snow ahead, snow everywhere. That sounds like a poem, but it's not. In fact, there's snow on the road as well. Welcome to Sela Pass. This is how Arunachal Pradesh welcomes you when you are riding at 13,700 feet in the month of March. In fact, I just came to know that it was snowing heavily in the last couple of days and Sela Pass was closed temporarily. But we were fortunate that it was cleared by the time we reached here. And to add to it, the icing on the cake was that we got this amazing weather now. With no rains, no snowfall, but clear blue skies with fresh snow on the mountains. Look at this view, guys. The view in front of me is spectacular, isn't it? I'm riding on the snow, as you can see, on the road as well. The road conditions really bad and I'm being very careful, especially no erratic braking or no jerky acceleration, just taking it cool and easy. The landscape around me is actually making up for these bad roads. Crossing this Sela Pass mountain is the main highlight of our ride to Arunachal Pradesh. Trust me guys, when I say crossing Sela Pass in snow is next level of adventure riding, and I'm sure you can see that in this video. I'm not a pro rider, but I'm a fairly experienced rider. My bike right now is slightly slipping on some patches of the snow. Well, I'm concentrating a lot on my throttle and balance and whatnot. But all these adventure becomes totally worth it when you get such majestic and breathtaking views around you. I'm sure you guys would believe and concur to it. If you notice, my bike is really behaving very well on these roads. Now this is the basic advantage of bringing your own bike instead of hiring from locals. Hey, these are small water crossings that we normally encounter in Ladakh. Look at this. Snow, snow, snow on the road, snow on the road. And I'm going through it. The confidence level that I have on my bike helps me in going through these adventurous patches with some level of ease. Well, I was just talking about slipping, and look at this. My bike is actually slipping a bit on these roads because of the snow on the road. But yes, it's going through. It's going through. Me and my bike, we gel together. I firmly believe in this. If you treat your bike nicely and with respect, then your bike also treats you with respect and takes care of you. That's what I believe in. I'll let you enjoy these videos for some time, just views for some time. Hey, I can see some dhabas, hotels. Damn hungry, I'm damn hungry. It's afternoon time and we've not yet had our lunch. There was nothing to eat at Sela Pass. So, we thought we'll lose some altitude, go down the hill and then eat something. I'm damn hungry now. But I'll have to wait till I meet all my friends down this hill. Let's see. We are basically 4 bikes, 4 riders. 2 were experiencing high altitude sickness, so they have gone ahead early to lose altitude quickly. They must be waiting at some dhaba after crossing this mountain pass. And the 4th rider is somewhere close to me. I think is somewhere ahead of me, and he is also taking it cool and he's riding in a very leisure pace like me. I always make it a point that I ride with friends, riders who know me very well and I know them very well. The trust factor is a very important thing while riding on these adventurous holidays. My friends know me. I'm gonna be doing some good photography and I'm be riding aram se while enjoying these views. So they know me very well. They have been experiencing altitude sickness, so they said they'll go ahead and wait for me. Okay, let's get back to these amazing views. Look at those trees, man, on my left hand side. They're covered with snow. Wow! What a sight. Come on, guys, I'm a Mumbai guy, and for me, seeing snow and snow covered trees is actually the perfect idea of a perfect holiday. And that is exactly what I'm doing right now. I hope my GoPro is doing complete justice in capturing these views and giving you a feel that I'm actually what I'm seeing with my naked eyes in front of me. I hope my GoPro will give you this feel when you'll be watching these videos. It was snowing heavily, guys, in the last 2 days, and the snow that you see around me is actually fresh snow, fresh laden snow. The BRO, which is Border Road Organization, have cleared this road just in the morning, so we could pass through it. I think I'm getting closer to the army cantonment at the base of the Sela Pass mountain. By the way, this Sela Pass, which connects the West Kameng district of Arunachal Pradesh to the Tawang district, is kept open throughout the year by BRO. Hats off to these guys. It must be a terrible task keeping this pass open throughout the year for vehicular traffic. Vehicular, you know. Wow. Look at those clear blue skies, green colored army cantonments area. Wow, different shades of white. Truly amazing. I'm using the word amazing a lot of times in this, but trust me, these views are amazing. Hey, this truck has finally stopped for a break. Maybe he's taking a small break. This truck was there with me for a long time. I guess it was there with me since I started for my Sela Pass. Started from Sela Pass rather. Now that I'm losing altitude, the roads are getting slushier, muddier. If that's even a word, slushier. But yes, you can see that in front of me. You can see that. These walls that you see on the right hand side, I guess these are all retaining walls. They are constructed to prevent landslides and rocks coming onto the road. So you have those retaining ones on this side as well. I mean, yes. Wow, man. Look at the views. I'm loving this look of snow-covered trees. It is actually reminding me of those Hollywood movies which show Christmas times, you know. Snow-covered trees. Wow. This is the fun of exploring India on your own motorcycle. I can travel at my own pace. I can go anywhere. I can take an off-road. You know, I can do all that kind of stuff rather than just going through a tourism or maybe taking your own bike, planning your own itinerary, and taking your friends along. You know, all friends going together. It's just a different feeling, and basically you get to see it everything at your own pace and how you want it, whenever you want it. That's the beauty. Come on guys, I'm feeling hungry now. Where have my friends gone? By the way, I've kept my GoPro deliberately on the wider mode. I have three modes in the standard, narrow, and wide mode. So this is the wide mode that I've kept it on. So I'm hoping captures the whole of this landscape and scenery in front of me quite nicely. Oh, I get to see the trees, snow covered trees again. It's a beautiful sight. My motorcycle is behaving very nicely, behaving beautifully. Yeah, I think I see a fellow rider's bike there. That's the one who was just slightly ahead of me. Okay, chalo, ठीक है. I'll wait here and maybe I'll go with him now.